friends, today we're continuing to look at U.S. money. And the coin that we're going to be looking at today is the dime. And I'm really emphasizing the words U.S. because the reason for that is that all countries have their own money. And so if you go travel to a different country, it's not going to look like ours. Okay, so today's is the dime, and it's worth 10 cents, and it has another former president on the cover of it, and this is Franklin Delano Roosevelt. Okay, and on the back, I'm going to try to show this to you up close. It's got an olive branch on the back as well as an oak branch on it, and like the nickel, it is made of a lot of nickel, but it's also made of some copper. But like the nickel and the quarter, it looks more silver than a penny, which looks brown, right? So that makes it a little trickier to identify these when you're starting just to learn about money. Okay, I have a poem to help you remember about the dime. And it says, dime, dime, little and thin. So it's the smallest of the U.S. coins, and it's very thin, where the nickel is thick. So dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10. And this is what it looks like when you write it as money, 10 cents. That's the cent symbol. We have two of them here. So in counting by tens, it would be 10, 20. So we have 20 cents here on this circle. Okay, so I want to show you the money close up. So I'm going to put my camera down here. So we were learning to count by tens. And so when you are counting dimes, that's what you do. You count by tens. You don't just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because each one is worth 10 cents. So help me count. Let's see, make sure you can see this. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And 100, when I say 100 with dimes, really what I'm saying is $1. 10, this is 10 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 dimes is worth $1. I have a few more dimes here, so let's go ahead and put those out. So 10, whoops, let's make sure you guys can see it up here. 10, 20, 30, 40. So I have $1.40 in dimes. If you did not have a dime, but you needed 10 cents, another thing you could do is you could have two nickels. Two nickels, I'm going to move these out of the way, are the same as a dime. Because if we're counting by fives, 5, 10. Guess how many pennies I need to make a 10 cents? I hope you know that it's 10 of them, because each of them is worth 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So all of these are 10 cents. With the dime, you just need the 1. With the nickel, you need 2, and with the pennies, you need 10 of them. In looking at these closer, here is the dime next to the nickel, and it is smaller. So the nickel is bigger than the dime is smaller than the nickel. But the funny thing about that, right, is that the dime is actually worth more money. It may be smaller, but it is worth more money than the nickel. Let me show you it against the quarter, because these are all those silver ones you need to learn if you don't know them already. And it is a lot smaller than the quarter. So the dime is smaller than the quarter. The quarter is bigger than the dime. I have some pages. If you're one of my students, I have some pages on Google Classroom to do. Here's one where it has jars with dimes in it, and you're going to count them. And how are you counting them? By tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, $1, you say, instead of 100. So you're going to count up how much money you have, and then you're going to color the one underneath to show which one is how much money is in the jar. Okay, so that's one page that I'm giving you. I'm giving you another one of those hunting pages where you're going to color just the dimes. Okay, so this one is big. So that's too big, it can't be a dime. That's going to be a quarter. So you're going to just color the little ones because those are the dimes, okay, to help get to the bank. And then I have one more page for you to work on. And this is one where you're going to be counting. You're going to be counting by what? Counting by tens. So you're going to count by tens, and then you're going to come down here and you're going to cut out whichever one matches, and you're going to glue it right here. Okay, so in looking at these, let's read what these numbers are. This is 80 cents, 70 cents, 90 cents, 30 cents, 50 cents, and 40 cents. So you're going to find which one matches, and we're going to count by 10, 20, 30, right? Like that. I'm not going to do it for you because I don't want to give away the answer. Okay, but there we go. So have fun practicing your dimes. I hope that you can work with some real change or some toy change too, because that's gonna help you to really learn it. Okay, I'll see you soon.